Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by going into one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and clicking on Home button. Following that, select the other one, in my case Play Store, but this time tap on the square button. Now you need to click on the icon of your app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and select Split Screen. Now just tap on the second app. As you can see, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!